Hello, welcome everyone. This really satisfied to show you here how I actually started going on with the progress that is really about me having the overlay on Figma. So really first of all, to overlay on Figma, this is really to be satisfied with important progress that we're gonna watch it because it's really about to know how you overlay it. Select a trigger object. So for example, I will choose the rectangle and use it for a single progress. To go to the prototype over here on the right top corner, now you will open the overlay, and starting with the overlay you have to start to see that maybe it works also with frame, because okay, the overlay has been really scroll with parent sticky to the top of the edge, also show to properties if you want. If you started to go with the part over here, you will find a plugin called frame overlay, which is really this one, and then you can actually start to use it for making a sites of overlays, and that's all about